Hello guys, in this video I'm gonna be discussing my plans for the future, testing and ranking in list, in PvP of course, still, and thing is that I'm quitting from MC tiers and any testing server or community which uses testing. So first question is probably you guys have why I'm quitting from MC tiers. Um, I'm gonna make this short, okay? Um, First of all, the system is slow. The testing takes a lot of time. Every time a tester becomes online and active, then only 20 players can join the queue, and never somebody tests 20 players straight. And this queue is always full in 3 seconds. So testing isn't that easy. So this slows up so much progress and is not easy to manage. And please note that I'm not leaving because of Morrow's situation or any cheaters. Okay, we meet them every day, but like that's why I'm not testing in high tiers as well. Like I'm not so much into high PvP. Second thing is that where I'm going to test or rank myself into tier list. Uh, I hope you all know the new server called Flow PvP, and I tried it myself too, and it's so good. Everything is fast, no waiting time in QE for testing. The elo system, like in chess, you get an elo, and you play close to your elo players, and then rank up by that. And this system is so much faster. The results get transferred so fast into the internet page as well. And I think that just I think that it's perfect. We all always needed it. Third thing is that testing slows down these videos, where somebody trains one game mode and then tests and sees if he has improved. These videos take so much more time because of peer testing. And I have a one video coming out probably very soon. Reason why it's taking so long is this, that I have not got into the QE, but probably I'm finishing this video in Flow PvP. So yes, that's all for today's video, and I'm probably going to still maybe test in PvP tiers, because I mainly have tested in this mostly. In MC tiers I haven't tested so much. Did I have like 2 or 3 tiers in this? In PvP tiers I have a lot of tiers. So yeah guys, thank you for watching this video, and I really recommend Flow PvP. Bye.